on the Dreamliner. First look of the new Boeing 787 Dreamliner owned by United on its maiden voyage.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And of course, Jeff Hazlett has pushed all the way to the front.
Hello. Come on, Peter. Catch up. Catch up.
So we're going down the jetway. And here we go. First look.
Man, let's get out of the way here, man.
Gonna be run over.
And those camera hurts.
You can see the beginning of it over there.
Try to say good morning. Good morning. I'll show you now, so it'll be me. Good morning.
Look at that. First images of the Dreamliner.
I'll just let Peter narrate.
Good morning.
There she is.
There she is, the first. Good morning. Well, now that we have you, I can go. I don't
Get our flight attendant, stop me.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, crew. Okay. Well, you can come around that way. Just keep going in a line.
No, you're fine.
We'll come back around.
You got it. So here are the seats. The blue light at the top is supposed to give you the floor.
Folks, if you just keep moving, we've got to get a lot of people through. You can come back this way. If you'll stick with the group, please.
Half the fitness first. The other half's up front. That's very similar to
Come back around.
This is the rest of the plane. This is economy. I think the actual technical term for this plane is big ass or bag. It's the 787 bag. Is that first time on the 787?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
No.
I have a lot of hours on it.
A lot of hours already.
It's
Awesome.
a proving runs. Yeah.
Awesome. It smells. It has that new plane smell.
It does.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. It really has that new plane smell. Okay.
Fresh plane smell. Yeah, exactly.